Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border style. The border style property in CSS specifies what kind of border to display. So the CSS border style property can have these following values. You can specify dotted value, dashed value, solid value, double value, group value, rich value, insert value, offset value, non value, hidden value in your border style property. So as you can see, we are having like 10 of it right here, right? We can have more than so. And also I want you to notice one thing right here. The border style property can have 1 to 4 values. That is, for the top border, right border, bottom border, and the left border, you can specify multiple value there. You can give it different values. So, and again, note here also, none of the other CSS border properties which you will learn more about in the next chapters will have any effect unless the border style property is set. So I want you to note that also. So in our next tutorial, we're going to continue our discussion on this because this is so advanced. I'm going to be showing you some tricks, cool tricks you can use in here. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you, and to the next. Safe, please.